It is Thredup Thursday, and so of course we're going to open a Thredup rescue box. I am going to be opening a DIY designer box for y'all today. And I was noticing as I was pulling this off my shelf, if you look really close by the green dot, which means it's designer, it says exotic. So that's exciting. Maybe we got some sort of, reptile. I don't know. Let's see what's in here. My trusty box cutter, and we will get into it. Thank you guys for joining me today. I love Thredup Thursday. Always do a fun box or a designer box. Sometimes it changes up a little bit. Okay, let's see when I ordered this one because I really don't know. I just kind of put all my boxes categorized by what type they are, and I'm not really sure on the dates. I may need to start writing the dates on the boxes as I get them. Anyway, yes, DIY designer box. You get 7 DIY designer items, which means they might be damaged. Maybe they're missing a size. Maybe they just need some cleaning, or maybe there's nothing wrong with them at all. Who knows? And it's $140 plus tax plus shipping. Most of the boxes I've been ordering haven't been having shipping. I've been getting them either during a sale, and so the shipping is negligible, or during a free shipping day. They don't put that on the receipt, so I'm not 100% sure. But this one I ordered on September 25th, which I think there was a promotion that day. Okay, so let's get into it. If y'all are new here, my name is Christina. I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and The Real. And we have a lot of fun over here. Okay, let's rip open the tissue. And we'll give you a peek off the top. It looks like we have a bag. That's exciting. Okay, so speaking of bags, let's first, well, this isn't a bag, but let's draw attention first to my necklace. I bought this necklace from Steven over at Sugar Vision on one of his auctions that he does on his channel. And if you're not familiar with his channel, you should totally check it out. He does jewelry. I will put his channel down in the description. But this is a Louis Vuitton necklace, and I've always wanted one, and so I went for it. He offered a really great price, and I just couldn't resist. So, speaking of Louis Vuitton, for those of y'all who stock the Thredup site like I do, you'll notice they added a new category of Louis Vuitton bags, and it went up live this week. So, I bought one. That will be coming, it says, within the next couple of weeks, and so I will be opening that on this channel. I know Lindsay Clark, I believe Kristen D got one, a few of us got one, and so we may try to put them out all on the same day for y'all. Okay, and that box was expensive, so hopefully they send me some good stuff. All right, let's check out this bag. Definitely looks like a leather. Oh, okay. I actually haven't had this brand of bag before. This is a Jimmy Choo bag. That is nice. And this leather is very soft. The nameplate is a little scratched up there. The corners have a little bit of scuffing. Sometimes when you're looking at corners, and especially when I get that Louis Vuitton box, you've got to really go in. I'm kind of scared to stick my hand in here. You never know what you're going to find in these boxes. You have to really stick your fingers down in the corner and see what's hiding, especially with the Louis Vuittons because they'll get holes in the corners. These actually look pretty good. There's a little bit of scuffing. That will do fine with the Doc Martens Wonder Balm. So the only other thing I'm noticing, and I don't know if this is damage or if this is maybe the way it was, but this kind of cross stitching on the side with these like leather strings look like they may be a little cracked, but I'm not sure if that's just the texture of the type of rope that it is. I'll let y'all see it up close. It might just be the texture because it looks like it's on all of them. Okay. So far so good. Here's the back. Back looks great. There's the bottom. I love the detail of the stitching on the bottom. I think that is so cool. You've got this extra snap on the side so that you can close it like that. That's on both sides. Okay, and the inside looks great. The inside looks like suede. You've got a zipper pocket here, and then a huge slip pocket over here. So, oh, and it looks like there's even a side pocket. Let's turn this inside out and see. I don't know what's wrong with this bag, y'all. It looks like it's great. It's not really even dirty on the inside. So I'm very happy with this bag. Very moderate wear and overall in really good condition. Okay, so there's item number 1. Yay, we're already off to a good start. Next item, looks like we have like a silky tank, like a crop tank. This is by the brand Veronica Beard. I have a really good luck selling Veronica Beard on eBay actually. And this is a size 2. Let's see. It looks like this was a Rent the Runway because it's got the barcode here, which I feel like they've kind of combined what used to be the Rent the Runway box now with the DIY designer box. The Rent the Runway box was such a good deal. Okay, this is 100% silk. That's what I was looking for. So that's awesome. There are some deodorant marks on the inside, which just need a quick wipe down. But other than that, I feel like it looks really great. So I'm happy with that one too. Okay, next. And after I show you this one, I'll give you another look in the box so you can see kind of what we have left. All right, looks like we've got like a little blazer in a black, I don't know what this material is. We're gonna have to look. It's very rough feeling and there's a lot of pilling, but I'm not sure if the pilling is maybe intentional. That may be the actual look of it. I'll have to do some research about that. I'm not sure if it's in bad shape or if that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, and this is an Isabelle Marant. So that's good. There you go. Let's see if I can find a size. It's got 1 button here and then 2 pockets on the front. So I will, like I said, I'll have to look this up to see if I can find out if it's supposed to look kind of worn like this. It does say that it is 100% cotton. But then it also says 100% silk. So maybe there's a part missing from this. I don't know. It doesn't look like the lining's missing. Oh, maybe it means this part, but that doesn't feel like silk. I don't know, y'all. I will have to look this one up. But like I said, other than maybe that pilling, this one looks like it's in good shape too. You guys, we have a good box. I'm excited. Okay, I'm giving you another peek. Looks like we have a couple pairs of shoes. Maybe some red bottoms. Ooh, look at these. Yes. We've got some Christian Louboutins right there. These have the cork heel. Pretty tall heel. Platform, peep toe, sling back. Say that 10 times fast. These are a great size. These are in a size 39. Right there. There is some wear to the bottom, but that's okay. The toe looks really good. There is some staining here from the person's toes. That probably is not going to come out. I've tried to clean cork before. It comes out a little bit, but not 100%. I usually use the tub of towels, like what Kristen D uses, to scrub out footbeds, and that works pretty well on this. It just won't get it out 100%. There are some marks here along the side. I will have to wipe those down, and maybe if those don't come off, see if I can give you guys a close look. I can retouch them with the metallic paint sticks that I have. But overall, that one's in great shape. Let's look at this one. You don't want to say too much until you've looked at both of them. So there's a small issue here on the cork heel. It is not bad. That can come right off. And I don't think anyone is going to, or maybe I can glue it down. It's just a really small flake off the top. Again, soles are in good shape. Other than that little flake, the heel's in good shape. We've got a little bit of rubbing there too. Oh yeah. See, the material underneath is showing. So that's the damage there to that one. Okay, I don't know what to do about that. Again, just a good wipe down here, and then kind of the little scuffing on the inside. So this one may just have to be, besides me cleaning up what I can, this one will just probably have to be sold as is. I don't know that I can go in and like fix missing cork. So that will be one that I will not send into the Reselling, but I will sell myself. Next, we have a pair of, I don't want to call that a kitten heel, maybe a low heel. These are black suede with cutouts, and these are Marni. I've never sold Marni shoes before, so I'll have to comp these out. I'm not really sure what they will sell for. These are also in a great size at a 38.5. Let's just check. Toes look good. There is some wear to the suede here where the person's foot was. It's rubbed out some of the suede, so that's not gonna come out. But I can wipe it down and brush it, make it look as good as possible. So that one's in decent shape. And the tap looks good, and the heel. All right, this one, tap and heel look good. There's a little bit of scuffing here, which is not a big deal. Sling back. Same issue with the toe, but overall structurally, these are in amazing condition. I am very impressed. Oh, and look at this little guy. I didn't notice this on the other one. I guess because there was a little sticky over it. Look, there's a little person there. Okay, I think that's cute. All right, I'm very happy with those also. Okay, next, we have another printed item. Is this a shirt? Is it a scarf? What are you? A dress. I knew I was going to get it. And I kind of guessed that this might have been what it was. Atro, very known for their colorful prints. And really pretty dress. Typically, I send my Atro pieces into the Reselling if they're in good shape because they sell really well on there. I've tried selling Atro pieces on my own and they take forever to sell. So I will probably send this one in. It is a size 42. I don't see any damage to this one right here. Let's see if I can find a tag. Here we go. It is 100% viscose, made in Italy. And I don't see any staining just from a quick look on the inside either. So I will launder this one just because. But very happy with that. Although this doesn't really look like a size 42 to me. This looks really small. So I'm not sure about that. But that is awesome. Okay, last item is a pair of shoes, which look like suede shoes. So what was our exotic? Maybe the Jimmy Choo bag, maybe this leather is like a reptile, the trim. Okay. We have a pair of pointed toe black suede flats. These are a Stuart Weitzman. They look overall in good shape. The toes look in good shape. I would imagine because this is stuck in here, this is why they weren't accepted. So this just needs to come out. And then if there's sticky residue, you just really have to pick it off. It's a lot of fun. And then scrub the adhesive with like rubbing alcohol. But it'll come off. It just takes a little bit of work. And this probably needs to be cleaned up. These are great. Let's see what size they are. Well, part of it is worn off. I do see a 9, but it might be a 9.5. Let's see if this one says, and we'll check this one over. Yeah. So this one has the full size. So it's a 9.5 medium. And this one looks like it's in great shape also. So let's go over what I got. I love this box. We got up here everything. So I just want to say, one of the things I love about this box, I got shoes, I got clothes, and a bag, which I always love the variety. And everything was in decent shape. It's nothing that can't be repaired or cleaned or fixed up for resale. So I love that. Okay, we got the Stuart Weitzmans for 1. The Marni shoes for 2. Did I say what size these were? Yeah, 38.5. We got the Atro dress for 3. The Christian Louboutins for 4. The Isabel Marant for 5. Okay, we got the Veronica Beard Silky Tank for 6. And this gorgeous Jimmy Choo bag for 7. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you all think. I thought this was an excellent box. I love when I don't have to do too much rehab to the items, especially right now because I'm super busy with my full-time and I have like piles of things that I need to rehab to get ready for sale. So this box will make it really easy for me to just clean up and list. So let me know what your favorite item was. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers. And so if you enjoy the videos, please subscribe. It would really help the channel. Also, I would like to mention that on Sunday and Monday, I am part of a Thredup mixed jewelry box collab that is Halloween themed. Not the jewelry, but the collab. There's going to be 10 YouTube creators that are going to be opening boxes. 5 are going to go on Sunday and 5 are going to go on Monday. I will be kicking it off here on Monday. So make sure to check out Sunday and Monday's videos and see who got the best box. I will see y'all then. Bye.